This episode reveals the unlikely birth of the vacuum cleaner sparked by James Spangler, a janitor who wished for cleaner air. Facing his wife's asthma, he built a portable unit from a soda bottle, a fan motor, and a pillowcase. He sold the patent to William Henry Hoover, which launched a flood of refinements, turning cleaning into a home ritual. Over the decades, designers added bags, brushes, cyclones, and cordless batteries, transforming from bulky rigs to sleek, lightweight models. Today, the vacuum is an everyday hero, yet its roots remind us how practical problems drive quiet revolutions.